Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Dream Vehicles. Today we're diving into something absolutely jaw-dropping, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Cadillac has reimagined what it means to hit the open road in style. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling palace packed with state-of-the-art tech, bold design, and performance you wouldn't believe could come from something this big. So buckle up, grab your favorite drink, and let's explore the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome in detail. From its stunning interior and aggressive exterior, to its safety, innovations, and surprising performance. Section 1, Exterior Design. Let's kick things off with the exterior. And wow, Cadillac did not hold back. The 2025 Motorhome wears Cadillac's iconic vertical lighting signature, with massive front DRLs that scream luxury and futuristic design. The front fascia is bold and chiseled, combining the elegance of an Escalade with the presence of a semi-truck. From the side, it's sleek. No, seriously, it's sleek for a motorhome. Smooth, aerodynamic lines give it a futuristic silhouette, while chrome accents, flush power sliding doors, and retractable steps make it feel more like a private jet on wheels. And yes, 22-inch diamond-cut wheels come standard. It even includes a panoramic glass roof that runs nearly the entire length of the cabin. It's a showstopper. Section 2, Interior Design. Now let's step inside. And this is where Cadillac redefines mobile luxury. The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome greets you with ambient lighting, real wood and brushed aluminum trims, and hand-stitched leather everywhere. The living area features a power reclining sofa, 2 captain's chairs with massage and ventilation, and a pop-up 65-inch OLED display with surround sound. The kitchen? Think gourmet. Built-in induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, quartz countertops, and even a wine chiller. The bathroom rivals luxury hotels with rainfall shower, backlit mirrors, and even voice-activated temperature control. And the bedroom? It's not a sleeping area. It's a suite. Queen-sized memory foam mattress, customizable mood lighting, and privacy glass windows that can go opaque at the press of a button. Cadillac even included a walk-in closet option on the long wheelbase version. Section 3, Safety Features. Cadillac didn't forget safety. In fact, the 2025 Motorhome might be one of the safest RVs ever built. It's loaded with Super Cruise with trailering assist 360-degree HD vision, with night vision capability, automatic lane keep with wind compensation, enhanced emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, and a new auto park retreat mode that lets the motorhome reverse into tight camp spots by itself. Add to that 10 airbags, reinforced frame engineering, and smart tire pressure and brake monitoring, and you've got a mobile fortress. Section 4, Performance. Now let's talk power, and this is where things get wild. The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V8 engine paired with dual electric motors. Combined output? An estimated 750 horsepower. That's enough to tow a boat, trailer, or another car without breaking a sweat. It features adaptive air suspension, magnetic, ride control, and even rear-wheel steering for tighter turns. Range? Over 600 miles with the extended fuel pack, and it can do 0 to 60 in just under 6 seconds in a motorhome. Section 5, Overall Impression. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome is unlike anything else on the road. It's not just a luxury motor coach. It's a statement of lifestyle, power, and innovation. Cadillac has truly blurred the line between a 5-star resort and a recreational vehicle. Whether you're a retired couple looking to explore the country in style or a luxury enthusiast who refuses to compromise, this motorhome delivers an unforgettable experience. Outro. Call to action. So what do you think? Is the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome the ultimate road trip vehicle, or just an over-the-top dream? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more dream vehicle content every single week. This is USA Dream Vehicles, and we'll see you in the next one, where the road meets pure luxury.